What up, squad, man? Right back with another video, man, and this one here for sure is a banger. We out here with 3 demons and 2 Redeye challenges. Sorry, 2 Redeye challenges, man. And you know me, man, I'm Redeye gang to the heart, man. You know, shout out to Radford Racing School for having me out here. Tonight is part 2. We get to put these demons on the track. We get to see what they do, and I'm here to provide you guys a crazy experience that no one really gets gets on a regular. And what I mean by that is, this is behind doors. This is top-notch secret stuff, sponsored by Dodge. So tune in, man. Look at what we got. We got this bad Redeye here. We got another Redeye here. These are the blue ones. As y'all can tell, they got the demon wheels on the back. They got the demon wheels on the back, for sure. Definitely a Redeye. See what's going on there. We got a yellow demon here. Oh, some people getting ready to get in their cars. You got the blue one, and then you got the octane red demon. If you don't know, now you know. But here it is. That is a demon. See the demon wheels. Front and back. I'm gonna go in, look at the seats. Demon seats.
Flip down the visor and just put it in between the mirror and the.
We got another blue one here. And obviously you see that one over there, that's another demon, man. And these people are about to get to it, man. They're about to get out here and race. I'm rooting for you. I don't know you, but I'm rooting for you.
The Pepsi car, you gotta do it.
The Pepsi car. Look at this, man. Can't go wrong, man. Straight demon work. He's got the full race suit on. He's ready, man. He's prepared. He's prepared. Yeah, so what you think, TJ? What's going on, man?
Well,
you think they BSing us or what?
Yeah, I think so.
You think so?
Yeah.
Yeah, we think tribal land, this may be tribal land. I'm gonna contest that only in this video, but not out here. But I think they just didn't want us getting good content. And I think that's what it's really about. But it's okay. It's okay, because guess what? We were recording all day earlier today. We used the drone today. This night crew is just a little different, but that's how people are, man. But we're gonna continue from the sideline. I'm sorry I can't get y'all the overhead view. I got a little piece of one of these demons going down the track. But we're gonna continue on the sideline, man, and give you guys some good content from the sideline. They're doing some really good burnouts. These damn demons is fast, man. Like, I see why people pay the extra money for it, but it still doesn't justify, it's not justifiable for me. So let's go ahead and get back into this video, man. I just wanted to tell y'all that, man, and yeah. Don't argue with these people, man. Just do what they say, get out their way, because if I'd argue back, I probably wouldn't be here talking to y'all, making this video while we out here. Let's get back to the action.